case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The Supreme Court of Rhode Island was called upon in 1870 to deliberate on a case of international proportions, Barrows versus Joseph F. Downs and Company. At the heart of the conflict was a critical legal issue, reflecting the complexities of international business partnerships and challenging the very definition of liability. The lawsuit involved a claim against William C. Downs, a general partner of Joseph F. Downs and Company, a firm based in Havana. Downs was alleged to owe debts which were incurred through the purchase of goods. The plaintiffs insisted Downs should be held accountable, arguing him to be a general partner based on his representations during a U.S. visit. Yet, in an audacious move, Downs contested these allegations, arguing he was legally defined as a special partner under Spanish law, which, he claimed, exempted him from the liability. The crucial but contentious evidence he presented was a verbal partnership agreement alongside the Spanish Code of Commerce. Up against these clashing arguments, the court relaxed its rules regarding the proof of foreign statutes. It allowed an unfamiliar yet efficient method to prove the validity of the foreign laws, their admission if sworn to or verified by an authority of significant credibility. Despite objections from the plaintiffs, the court admitted both the verbal agreement and the Spanish Code. Further complicating this case was the qualified nature of liability for a special partner, introduced by this case's very definition of the Havana partnership, which was allowed under Spanish law. Yet, the court emphasized that even if partners pursued business abroad, the laws of the original place of the partnership would still apply. This meant that if a general partner presented himself as such to foreign partners, he would be liable for the full extent of the debt. In resolve, the court decided in favor of the plaintiffs. Despite Downs's protests, the court held him accountable for the goods received following promises made in the summer of 1865. The court ordered him to pay an impressive sum of $2,054.61 in addition to covering the costs of the case. It was a defining case, blurring the boundaries of international partnerships and reinforcing the legal accountability that transcends borders.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.